Hello all, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing pretty fine. Flashing beautiful smiles on your face, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch videos. And please, if any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers and the viewers who are giving their valuable feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much. These are Korai mats. I've purchased in Salem from Tamilnadu. It costs $150 each. And I found some interesting facts and a story regarding this. And I wanted to share with you people, right? Happy New Year to all the viewers. And let's get into the story now. This Korai mats weaving industry is found in Tamil Nadu, a place called pattamadai. Sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. Please pardon me. And it's made from grass. And you see here, I have shown in the picture on the riverbeds of Kaveri, the plantation is done. That means they raise crops first. And later this is harvested in the months of September and October. It has got a meticulous handwork process to get that silk-like quality or appearance of mats. This plantation is done at the banks of water bodies as it consumes a lot of water in production. And after harvesting the grass, this grass is split into two halves, and this split grass is again grouped and laid flat under the sun until it turns brown. You see it's grouped into clusters here. This handloom craft is popular in Tamil Nadu, mostly in two regions. It is Karur and Pattamadai. You'll be getting Seetalpuri mats, Mathur mats and Korai mats. And here you see the weaving process starts. Weft and warp weaving is the process. That is, it is done diagonally. And to keep the mats intact, cotton fibers or nylon wires or threads are being used. And you see the super finish of the mats here. You'll be getting in different colors. That is dark red, indigo and green. Let me know how many are using plastic mats. Now I'll share with you the advantages that you derive or the benefits you have got in using Korai mats over plastic mats. It balances the body temperature, protects from skin problems. It has got longer durability. In the sense, it can be used for longer periods of time without wear and tear. And it doesn't accumulate much dust or you don't get any foul odors or the smell because it is raised from crops, right, or the grass. And you all know that plastic is not good for health. So after watching the video, you want one Korai mat, you can go to Salem or buy an Amazon online store or the Flipkart. Then let me know how is Korai mat after using plastic mats if you have used, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe Flying Skies One for more videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling.